Hey everyone, I'm Brendan. This is Bonnie. These are our puppies, Nubby and Sampson. And behind us right here, so we full-time live here. This is our base camp in Florida. Soon we'll be taking this thing on the road. We're really excited. We got the truck and the hitch. Now we just got to put everything together. And we wanted to take everyone along for the ride with us. And the sun's right in our eyes. I'm sorry, baby. So we thought to start this, we would give you a tour of our RV to see how we live and what we do.
Welcome to our crib. So the first thing when you walk in the door to the right is our bedroom. It is a full king size bed. Those are the pillows with Sampson and Nubs. And then if you look over here, we also have a picture of them. You can tell we love them very much.
Nubby, go up on the bed. He thinks we're trying to trick him.
And this is our bathroom. Go ahead and get on in there.
It's definitely lived in.
Yes, we've got a full standing shower. We call it the Judy. Wait, what do we call it? The courtroom.
And when we sit on the toilet, it's court is in session.
Court is in session. When you flush, court is
meeting
adjourned.
court. I don't know.
Case is closed, whatever. But yes, she watches us while we do our bathroom activities.
So we got bidets on our toilets. Can't live without them. This is our living room area. We have our dinette here. Like every RV, this turns into a bed. This is where Bonnie works from. This is our couch. There's really not much here. Behind the couch is where we put all of our Wi-Fi equipment to make sure we have strong Wi-Fi while we're on the road. Fireplace, we have a TV. We have like surround sound for the TV. Now, if we come over to this room, is our kitchen. We have a Google here to help us out with our Wi-Fi, or Google Nest. Okay, Google, tell me my Wi-Fi speeds. That'll take like an hour for it
My
to
apologies, I don't understand. Your network speed test has finished. The download speed on Google Nest is currently 217 megabits per second.
That's pretty good, I think.
He's camera shy.
What's the ball?
Yeah, carry him around.
Yeah, I'll carry him. Okay. That probably looks a little better than me too. Oh, show him the little nubs we got.
It's a piggy bank.
So this is our bunkhouse, or my office. I work in digital advertising, so internet is really important to me, or at least for my job. Over here is supposed to be where we'd have a kid or a grandkid living, but we don't have any kids, and we use this for storage. And then the very last thing about this RV that was a big selling point, Nubs is just like trying to figure out these
He's
toys.
looking in his toy box.
So this travel trailer, which is kind of rare to see, is a bath and a half. So I have a little bathroom area. Yeah, so that was our tour of our RVs, but we just wanted to kind of start off our channel with a tour of how we live and what we live in and why we picked it. Yeah, I don't know. That's all I got. You got?
No, thanks for watching if you watched. And
Give him a kiss. Give him a big kiss.
No.